Chinenge, me no so the lucky bani me bank chozi breban.
Gini ne choi uno waga.
Nke ka imu kwa na aru nwa. Iburu go kwenle. Nya mama. So.
Ama. So. Keke na ware kuna kuna dere tutu.
Alright, you're still watching Anambra Broadcasting Service Television. Recently, there has been some concerns, especially in Igbo land, that our culture and language is dying off. Well, ABS decided to take a bold step to ensure that this is checked. Recently, ABS promised to bring our TV series, Ndoka, which happens to be an Igbo TV series live to you on your TV set. And today happens to be the unveiling of Fidelity Bank as the sole sponsors of this program. Earlier today, we brought the sponsor and the Giant House, ABS, live on our radio set to tell you about the program, to tell you why they decided to sponsor this program. Now we have decided to bring the conversation to your TV set. So right here with me, I have the MD CEO of ABS, Nze Uchenwora, live with us right here on the station. Sir, you're welcome.
Thank you very much, Oluchi.
And I have Mr. Charles Ayibe, the Divisional Head, Brand Communication, Fidelity Bank. Sir, you're welcome.
Thank you. It's my pleasure to be here.
So today it's all about Ndoka.
That's right.
So I'll start with you. What's Ndoka all about?
Well, Ndoka is a family-themed TV series that mirrors on the life of a contemporary Igbo family. We want to mirror the society, the Igbo society, through Ndoka. So you're going to follow Ndoka with his wife and kids, as they deal with various life challenges, training their kids, like the daily hustle, if I have to use that expression. What average families go through every day. And that's, let me not reveal everything, but it's something that is worth watching, yes.
Ndoka is a series that is worth watching.
That's correct, yes.
So I would like to know what really attracted Fidelity Bank into this project.
Well, just taking a cue from Uche and hearing him speak about Ndoka and his end line was that it's a family series that is worth watching. So, Fidelity Bank were excited and delighted to be part of a family series that is worth watching. But essentially, sitcoms, like brings families together. So we're expecting that the parents and the children and their wards will all sit and watch this program
and enjoy and have fun.
Fun. Yeah. And so, and they all form a broad spectrum of customers of Fidelity Bank. We bank young people, we bank the older folks. So there's a product, there's a service for everybody. So it fits with our target demographics in terms of a customer profile. But beyond that, we see it as a platform to be able to get, deep down across to the people, particularly for a state that has been very supportive of Fidelity Bank, and also a people
that's right
that have been supportive of of Fidelity Bank. The second reason why we are also part of this is the fact that we would like to encourage businesses. We support small businesses across the country, and the creative and entertainment industry. The entire value chain is dominated by small businesses, who needs to be supported. So as they produce programs, films, and movies, and as the movies get sponsored, get sold, the circle, continues. And what are we known for as a bank is oiling the wheel of progress.
That's correct.
So it's an extension of our support for small businesses. And then also as an institution, we believe that communication is multifaceted, and film, television represents very powerful medium to communicate to the people, and as such we are supportive of initiatives that help to project positive things about our people. Like you rightly said, the ulterior motive of this is to encourage, the Igbo culture.
Igbo culture, yeah.
And for us as an institution, we're motivated to encourage that initiative. And we must commend Anambra State Broadcasting Service for thinking about this. And we must also commend the producers for also doing this. Charles Novia is somebody that we know, and we know that good and quality production will come out of his stable. So we wasted no time when this came to us in jumping on the bandwagon. Yes.
All right, so sir, let me come back to you.
Yeah.
Recently, ABS graduated the first set of her film academy, and now you're unveiling a film.
That's correct.
Does it mean that you're moving from being into broadcast journalism to filmmaking?
Well, I think it's Charlie was talking about the value chain.
Okay.
You got to ask yourself, in every industry, every enterprise that you engage with, ask yourself, what are the various possibilities, within that value chain? And first, as a broadcaster, television, radio, of course, film, falls within that bracket. So that's why we went into the Film Academy that we, recently graduated our students. So Film Academy, our students are currently doing some projects. Of course, you are aware that His Excellency Governor Willie Obiano has set out 50 million that the students can access, when they graduate. So they are currently working on some projects. Now, while we are waiting for that, we are also in the market looking for interesting projects by independent producers. Like Charles mentioned, Charles Novia is somebody known in the industry. So, when that came up in the market, we snatched it up. And, luckily, Fidelity Bank, shares that vision with us. So that's why we're having this press launch today.
Okay, the press launch.
Yeah.
So my question is, Fidelity Bank is a giant. ABS is a giant. This is the first step.
That's right.
Where are you where are you hoping is going to end? Is it just going to end with Ndoka, or we're hoping for something bigger?
It's the beginning of a collaboratory relationship. Like I said in the radio program, and also in the press conference that we have, is a nexus of two institutions, who share similar ideals. So it's the beginning of good things, to come.
Sorry, go ahead, sir.
Yeah, so it's the beginning of good things to come. We will continue to evaluate opportunities here in Anambra State that we can partner, that we can support. Of course, we're doing a lot in the state through our CSR initiative as part of giving back, because we've enjoyed tremendous support from Anambra State government and His Excellency Governor Willie Obiano, as well as patronage from the people of Anambra State. And as a bank, we believe in doing good, we believe in giving back to society. So we will continuously evaluate opportunities.
All right. So I'm coming to you now as the MD of ABS. Is it just Fidelity Bank, or you're looking forward to partnering with others?
Well, I don't know if Charles will allow me to give that answer. Because Charles wants to be, Charles will want this to be, married men in heaven, man with man, and that's it. But of course, we have other projects, we have other TV series. There's Ahead is coming. There are also a couple of other projects that independent producers are offering us. 21 week, you already know 21 week. There's a series he has coming out. He calls it 1 week, 1 Wahala. So as we make progress, you find that independent producers will be offering us their productions, and again, we come to Charles, and Charles says no, then we run around. But it's not competition. No, it's a win-win for everybody.
Okay.
Look at this brand. Displayed here. Look at our brand. I mean, that's what brands are looking for. They are looking for tie-in. They are looking for opportunities where they can, push their brand and reach their. So maybe I'm just going to do this for Charles. I hope that will make him happy. So, Fidelity Bank. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
It's very colors. You step away from your TV set, or you reduce the volume of your TV set. Well, right here live on the studios of ABS, we have the MD CEO of ABS, Uchenwara, and we also have Mr. Charles Aibe, the divisional head, brand communication, Fidelity Bank. And we're talking about this new marriage between ABS and Fidelity Bank. I'm talking about the new program, Ndoka. All right,
what's the choice of the name Unduka?
Yeah, it's just a family name. It's just a family name, and it's something that also resonates. Okay. Because Undoka is kind of a popular Igbo name. Okay. And Undoka actually means life is, supreme, life is precious. It depends on how you want to look at it. But beyond the name, it's actually, the daily struggles, the daily successes, the daily triumphs of the family. And of course, the lead character is a guy everybody knows, Sidney Diala. Sidney Diala became popular in the living in bondage days. So it's come back from work on a Wednesday, 8 p.m., relax with family, you finish your dinner, chill, and just watch it. Then on Sunday, repeat again, 2 p.m., So, I mean, it's,
So, if you want to watch it on ABS, you tune in at
Wednesdays, 8 p.m., prime time, and then Sundays, 2 p.m. We're just throwing the 2 p.m., just to make our partners happy, He's only paying for one slot.
And get people to see it a lot more.
Yeah, that's right.
The most important thing, we
people
think that you have a good product.
Yeah.
So,
and it's going to do
a nice job.
Yeah.
What about the viewers who are not Igbo? Is there any chance?
Listen, I mean, I used to live in Lagos, and I struggle, and I try to, and I worked in Lagos for 6 years, and at the end of the day, you learn the language. So if you live in Anambra, yes, if you in the beginning you may not really understand, but it puts some interest, you understand what's going on, because it has subtitles as well. There's English subtitles.
Okay, wow.
So you won't miss anything. Yes. Yeah.
All right, so we're going to go on a little break to watch out the trailer of that film. When we return back, we have more questions. Don't forget, you can call in, drop your questions, and you'll get answers.
Chinenye, meno so da ki ba ni me ba ncho zibire ban.
Gini ne cho ewu no wa ga.
Nke ka imu kwa na aru nwa. Iburu kokwe nne. Ni mama.
Sa. Amara.
Ta.
Keke na ware kuna kuna dere tutu.
Well, welcome back. If you just joined, that was the trailer of the film we're talking about, Ndoka. It's been an awesome conversation. I had the MD CEO ABS here, and I also had the divisional head brand communication Fidelity Bank. It's been nice having you on the studios.
Thank you very much.
It's been my pleasure. Thank you very much for having me.
So that's the much we can take. I hope you did pick one or two things. Don't forget that when you stay tuned to this station, you get to watch that program every Wednesdays by
8 p.m.
Okay, by 8 p.m.
Sundays,
and
2 p.m.
Sundays 2 p.m. Thank you for staying on to the station. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Chinenye, meno so the gaki bani me bancho zibire ban.
Gịnị na-echọ ewu n'ụwa ga-akwụsị?
Iwu kwa na arụ nwa. Iburukokwe nne, nya mama.
Amara, keke na-awara ekunya akwụ na-adịrị ụtụtụ.